Morning folks, quick update on NATGAS. This is unedited and just without my normal recording stuff, so it might be a little echoey again. I'll try and do a video a little later on again, but this is just a quick sort of fill in, and I've drawn this Elliott wave on the chart. It's not a proper Elliott wave, I'm just trying to show the three drives down that we could get. If you remember from my previous video, please go and check that because I don't have time to recap it now. We've been buying on these dips, we're still long. And we got to the top of this channel where I expected we might turn around. We did. And I thought we could get a 10 or a 20 cent correction from 2.25. We got the 10 cent correction, but then we bounced back up to the channel again. A slightly lower high on this occasion, which is concerning now that we've basically formed a downtrend now. We then made a slightly lower low and bounced up from there. That's where we are today. And I've just drawn this Elliott wave. It's not a real Elliott wave. I've just drawn it for illustration. So we've got one drive down, the second drive down with a lower high and a lower low, and I think we might get the third drive down into these moving averages. Here's the 100 and the 50, and we've also got the channel bottom to watch out. That's just around about $2. So I think that any dips into around about the $2.05 and $2 region, once again, are opportunities to buy for a move back up to the top of the channel, back to 2.25 and then beyond. If I zoom this out, you can see there's plenty of space above us. My target for this move is about $3. I think we could get higher. Let's have a look at the Henry Hub quickly, and excuse the messy noise and charts. I will try and do a proper update later on this afternoon once I've got all my kit set up. Here's this chart you're probably very familiar with, and we've broken out through those two downward trend lines. Once again, I've discussed this in some detail in my previous videos. I also drew this green arrow in that video on Sunday, and I said we could get the 10 cent correction, which we did get, and maybe a 20 cent correction down to this green line here. This is the overall picture. It remains bullish. There's our triple bottom, move off the bottom, retrace 78.6, bounce, break up through the two trend lines. We're holding up pretty well, but allow for a bounce back down to the support line. That would actually create, and if we confirmed it, an inverse head and shoulders pattern with a target of that pattern up to around about 2.65. Well, I hope you have a fantastic trading day. I'll try and do another video a little later on. Below this video, there's a link to get onto the early bird list for my swing trading blueprint course. Go down below the video, click on the link, put your name in and make sure you don't miss out. I'll see you in the next video later on today, I hope. Take care.